Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 8 of our 30 days of yoga series for 2021. And today is Forward Fold Friday. So we will be working on a lot of forward folds, some wide forward folds, some half forward folds, and just overall stretching out our calves and our hamstrings. So what you'll need today is 1 or 2 yoga blocks. If you don't have blocks, you can use 2 small boxes, or you can use 2 thick books, or you can find some disinfectant wipe containers and use them as your blocks. So grab those things and we will get started. So we're going to start seated. You can just ground your hips into the mat. Sit tall in the spine. You can lift the shoulders up towards your ears and then down and back as you relax the shoulders there. And we're just going to start with 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And then we're just going to go into a little bit of a seated cat and cow pose. So you can have your hands on your knees or the tops of the thighs, whichever is comfortable for you. And as you inhale, you're going to pull your chest forward as you look up. So just creating a little arch in the back. And then exhale as you start to curl the back, bringing your chin to your chest. Coming into cat pose. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. And then coming up to sit, we're just going to do some circles with the upper body. So just start to move the upper body to your right, forward, to the left, and back. 2 more times. Right, forward, left, and back. Last time. Right, forward, left, and back. And then we're going to come up and we're doing the opposite way. So this time we're going left, forward, right, and back. 2 more times. Left, forward, right, and back. Last time. Left, forward, right, and back. And then sitting tall, we're going to extend the legs out in front of us, having the heels grounded into the mat. We're just going to come into a seated forward fold. So reach your arms up. Inhale. Exhale as you bring the upper body forward and allow the hands to land. You can land them beside the legs, on the legs. You can grab for the ankles or the back of the foot, whichever feels good to you in your forward fold. Inhale. And exhale. And then starting to drag the hands back. Coming back to our seated position. Coming back to our cat and cow. Let's inhale, pulling the chest forward, arch in the back, looking up. Exhale, curl the back. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. And then coming up, we're going to bring the legs out wide this time, coming into a wide forward fold, a seated wide forward fold. So having the heels grounded into the mat. Again, sitting tall. Inhale, reaching the arms up. On the exhale, bringing the arms forward and the upper body forward. And letting the hands come down where they land. You can keep the feet flexed here just to get some sensation in the calf and the hamstring. Inhale. And exhale. And then starting to bring the hands up as you sit up. And bringing the legs together. And you can bend the knees and bring the hands behind the thighs. And we're just going to roll back and rock up. And just do that about 2 more times. Last time. When you come up, cross the legs, bring the hands over, and you're going to come over your knees. And come into table pose. From here, we're going to tuck the toes under and we're coming to downward facing dog. Lift the knees, lift the hips up and back. Hold here for 2 breaths. And then start to walk the feet forward as we come to a forward fold at the top of the mat. You can always have a bend in your knees here, or you can choose to have the legs straight, whichever feels good for you. And then inhale as you come to a half forward fold. So bring your upper body up, parallel to the floor, reach your arms out. And then exhale as you hold this half forward fold. 1 more full breath. Inhale. And exhale. And then inhale as you lift the upper body all the way up as we stand. Exhale, arms come down by your side. And then standing in our mountain pose. Inhale, reaching the arms out and up. Exhale, reaching the arms forward and down. Inhale, half forward fold, lengthening the spine. Exhale, forward fold. You can grab your hands behind your legs if you want to, bringing the head down towards the knees or the shins. Take a breath here. And then release the hands down. We're gonna lift that right leg, step it back, and we're coming into a wide stance. So facing the long edge of your mat, your feet are parallel to one another. And then reaching the arms forward and up. And exhale, arms down. We're just gonna come into some torso circles here as well. Moving the upper body, keeping the hips stable. So inhale as you reach the arms up. And then exhale as we go to the left, down. Inhale as we come over to the right and up. Exhale, coming down. Inhale. Exhale. As you come down, we're switching. So let's inhale as we come up to the left and exhale over to the right. Inhale to the left, exhale over to the right. Last time, inhale and exhale. Coming to the middle, inhale, reaching the arms forward and up. Exhale down. This time you want to grab your block. And we're going to place that block right in front of us, and I'm just going to have mine on the medium height. And this block is just to accompany the forehead or the head when we come down to our wide forward fold. So let's inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale, coming forward and down. Hands come down. And you can bring your head down towards your block. Keeping the legs straight. Inhale as you lift the head and lift the chest. Exhale, forward fold. And if you don't need the block, you can remove it and place the head on the mat. Inhale as you reach the arms forward and up. Exhale down. Hands to your hips. You can place the block off to the side. We're going to turn that right foot towards the top of the mat. And then reaching the arms up. On the exhale, you're going to step that right foot forward and come down to a forward fold. Bring the arms out to your side. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, hold here. One more breath. Inhale. And exhale. And then inhale, bring the upper body up in the arms, standing tall. Exhale, arms down by your side. So we're gonna come back down to the mat, and I'm just gonna bring my left foot over to the right side, and then I'm gonna cross my right foot over the left. And then you'll start to bend the knees. And we're coming down, and go ahead and rock back and forth along the spine about 3 times. And just coming up to sit. So this time we're going to come into some half forward folds. So you can extend both legs out in front of you. We're going to keep the left leg extended, and then you're going to bring your right foot to the inside of the left thigh and have the right knee fall out to the side. Inhale as you reach the arms up. Exhale as you bring the arms forward, folding over towards the extended leg. So you can have the hands beside the leg. You can grab the ankle or the back of the foot, whichever feels good for you in this moment. Inhale. And exhale. And then starting to walk the hands up. We're going to come to a seated position, and we're coming back to our seated cat and cow. So let's inhale as we reach the shoulders, the chest forward, looking up, coming into cow pose, arching the back. Exhale as you start to curl the back, bring the chin to the chest. 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. And then coming back up, extending the legs out. This time we're doing the forward fold with the left leg in. So bringing that left foot in towards the right thigh. And let the left knee fall out to the side. Inhale as you reach the arms up. And exhale as you bring the arms forward. As you fold towards that extended leg, again, hands can frame the leg. You can grab the ankle or the back of the foot. Take a deep breath in and out. One more breath in and out. And then start to walk the hands up. We're coming back to our seated position this time, ending with our torso circles or upper body circles. So we're starting to the right, leaning to the right, coming forward, over to the left, and back, to the right, forward, to the left, and back. Last time, to the right, forward, to the left, and back. And this time we're going the opposite way, so going back, to the left, forward, and to the right, back, left, forward, and right. Last time, back, left, forward, and right. And then coming to sit tall. And we'll end here with our 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. Sitting tall, lifting the shoulders up and back. Relax the shoulders there. Let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. Thanks for joining me for Forward Fold Friday, and I hope to see you all tomorrow for day number 9 of our 30 Days of Yoga series.